So the device picked today is the Cubo MagSafe MagZap X5. Now, there's a few things about this power bank that I really like, but first, before that, let us look at what's written on the back of this box, okay, to see what they've mentioned, the details, and then I'll tell you about my view of the power bank. I have it right here. This is the power bank itself, and I'll talk about it in a little bit, okay? So let's see. It says design, there's a sticker right there, so I can't really design healthcare, something care for your Apple products. Foldable PU leather kickstand, MagSafe compatible. There's Lightning and Type-C port, surge protection, and 1 year limited warranty. Now I got this product on Amazon, so warranty really not, I don't know. I'm not sure if I have registered this product for warranty or if there is warranty when it comes to buying it online. So I'm not really sure about that. But this product I bought off of Amazon on the 21st of July of this year. So it's been around 4 months that this product's with me, and I've been using it. I'll tell you straight, I've been using it for pretty much every day. It's like a daily use object right now for me, and it is impressive. But before we get to that, let's just complete what we were doing. So it is the MagZap X5 power bank, the color black. You get two colors in this. There's black and white. So this is the black one. Then the capacity is 5000 mAh, but the rated capacity as written here is 3000 mAh. Okay, so the contents of the box. What I got in the box: so USB cable, a Type-C cable. You get this metal ring, this one right here, this metal ring, and you get a warranty card. Oh, I just want to talk about this metal ring that they have given. So this ring is basically for Android phones that don't have MagSafe compatibility. You have to stick this ring onto the phone's back, Android phones that have wireless charging, and then you can snap the battery pack on it and it'll magnetically stick. But this magnetic ring they've given is not really good on quality. Its edges are really sharp. That basically means it's just cut with some machine and not fabricated, not like, you know, it's not smooth, it's sharp to touch. And I'll tell you one thing actually happened, that I stuck this on my Android phone and I took it off because I wanted to do something with the Android phone, and there was this leftover glue that I didn't want it, and I wanted to reuse this, so I wanted to stick it somewhere else. So I was trying to take off that glue so I can stick it well, and when I was taking off the glue, it kind of cut my finger, you know. So yeah, so be careful of this if you ever buy this. Don't slide your hand around the sides of this thing because it's really sharp and it can cut you. The MRP given on this box here, which is from the company by the way, is 5,590 rupees, which is $66.23 USD. But the price I got it for on Amazon on that day is 1,999 rupees, which is 23.67 USD. Yep. So, and I got it pre. As you can see, the manufacture date on this is June 2023, and I bought it in July 2024. So it's like a year old before I even bought it. So that's all when it comes to the box. Now let's talk about it. So 5000 mAh battery. So far I haven't been facing a lot of issues with its battery life. I'm actually surprised with its battery life because it lasts pretty long compared to what I thought it would. It goes on for pretty much like, you could say 5-6 hours, and it has charged my phone before. When it comes to wireless charging, it has charged it for like around 50-60% on the whole charge as of what I can remember. And on wired charging it's pretty quick, as given not on the box but on its description. It said that it's 15 watts of wireless charging and 20 watts of The 15 watts of wireless charging, I'm not really sure what to tell you, but it's not really fast. When it comes to wireless charging, it's not really fast. And it heats up a lot, but that's a byproduct of wireless charging, so it's not the fault of the power bank, nor is it the fault of the phone. The whole concept of wireless charging has heat. So when it comes to wired charging, it's really fast. It's as fast as this power bank that I have, which is surprising actually. It's at 10,000 mAh and it's pretty quick. So I was surprised to see about the same speed with this one. So it has this leatherish finish foldable stand. Yep, that's true. So this is the phone, as you can see, and here's the stand. Now this finish is not actually like really leatherish. It is leather, I'm pretty sure, because the inside is very leathery, but the outside is like this premium leather finish that you get on like Sony headphones that, you know, peel off eventually. But so far I haven't faced any problems with this. Yeah, and so far good stand, by the way. It's a very nice stand. It hits magnetically there. Sometimes I face this problem where it gets a little pressure and it just loops out of place, you know, like that. Just when I keep it on a table or something, and if it gets like a little push, it just loops out of place. Apart from that, it's a nice idea. I actually wanted the Anker Mago 622 for a power bank, but you don't get that one in India, so and that one's way thinner and it's better on quality and stuff as compared to this. But then this, for the price, is really not bad. It's a good deal. It's a really good deal for the price that I got it in. I hope you all get it on the same price, but yeah. Build wise, it has a plastic body and it's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. This charger crosses the brim just a little bit. If I take off my case right now, the charger would cross the phone. This is the iPhone 15 Pro, and it's a little small, this phone. And the camera, the size of this camera module is pretty big in comparison to the body of the phone. So ideally, it's not sitting right. You'll be able to see that gap. Yeah. So it's not sitting right, and if it were to sit right, it would I'm pretty sure cross and go above the glass of the camera module. So it's just hanging right below there, so it's not holding as tight as it's supposed to. If I take off the case, it would hold tighter, but I don't want to take off the case every single time, so this is the best it can get. So that's one problem you can note off. Then let's talk about its charging indicators. So right now it's charging, as you can see the level, it's full right now, and then it goes down as the charge goes down. This blue light means it's charging, and if you actually place some object that can't receive charge, you know, there's something called foreign object detection, so it just blinks in red. That means it can't charge that thing that you put on there. Let's talk about the ports. This is very important. It has an input and output port that's a Type-C. So this can charge the power bank, and you can use this Type-C to charge a device from this power bank. But there is this lightning port, as you can see. This lightning port is only input. So you can't take power out of that. You can charge the power bank with that lightning port. But right now, lightning ports are slowly getting outdated, as the Type-C rules everything now. So yeah, you can still charge a Type-C, but you can't charge it and something else by it at the same time. And yeah, there's only one port for output basically. It's just the Type-C port for output, and the other output is the wireless charging itself. This power bank can charge the iPhone 12 onwards, because the other iPhones that have MagSafe, it can also charge iPhone 11, but it can't snap MagSafe because the iPhone 11 does not have MagSafe on it. So you'll have to put it down on the table and put it on top of it to keep it in place and charge it. But 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, they have MagSafe, and this battery pack can snap on in place and charge it. And as always guys, whatever questions you'll have about this product or any other product, anything about this, anything, you know, related to it, not related to it, please put them in the comment sections so that I can answer those questions for y'all. And remember that really good questions that will be really beneficial to people will go in a YouTube short as an answer, so don't forget to comment those questions down below.